Hello everyone. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Lê Việt Quốc. I'm studying at the University of Science and Technology. My major is Electronic and Telecommunication. Today I would like to tell you about 10 conversations. The conversation 1. The man wanted the woman to fill his car up a little gas. The woman agreed about that and she wanted to have him check the oil too. The man agreed about that and he wanted the woman to wash his windshield. And again, the woman wanted to have him check the tires pressure. The conversation 2. The woman complained to the man that she didn't know what to order because she could eat everything on that menu. The man suggested she could try the tuna. The woman agreed about that because she loved fish. So the man suggested her save room for dishes thoughts because that restaurant had great pies. The conversation 3. The woman said to the man that his seats were business class travelers. The man was so surprised by that because he thought that was economy. The woman explained that on that flight, the economy section began at row 23. The man commented, that's why these seats were so comfortable. The conversation 4. The woman said to the man that she needed to return her book to library. The man wanted her to have him check out his book. The woman agreed about that and she wanted him gave her his library card. And again, the man wanted her to have him as if he could have 3 weeks loan rather than 2. The conversation 5. The woman asked the man if he worked there. The man answered that he just visited. The woman wanted him to have her show the floor at the accountant's office. The man agreed about that and he said he went there himself. The woman thought they could take that elevator. The man agreed about that. The conversation 6. The man said to the woman that he had a reservation for double room for 2 nights. The woman wanted to know his name. The man answered his name was Frank John and he spelled that. The man said he with the East Asia Import Company. The woman said that his room was non-smoking room on a high floor. The conversation 7. The woman complained that she lost her checkbook and she asked the man if she applied for a new one there. The man asked her if her checking account at that bank. The woman answered her saving account were there. The man wanted to show some her ID. The conversation 8. The woman complained that they would better hurry or they would miss their change. The man suggested the woman to relax and have another cup of coffee. They would walk to station in 10 minutes. The woman agreed about that because there were a train every 20 minutes. The conversation 9. The man asked the woman if her agency had any package tour to Hawaii. The woman answered they had a wonderful 7-day trip for only $945. The man asked, "That will include airfare." But the woman said, "That's just a hotel." The conversation turned. The woman said to the man one that she and her husband would like to rent a car for the weekend. The man one said they had only one car left and that was a compact. The man two complained that they were talking about getting a larger car. The woman thought they could manage with smaller car because it was just for the weekend. The man too agreed about that, and he wanted to full insurance coverage too. The man one confirmed that full insurance and full tank of gas. He wanted to show the man one credit card. Thank you for listening.